3, 2, 1. Hello, everybody. Many people around me has asked me about how to do the contributions for the Global Gran COVID-19 Quintana Roo. So the first thing we have to do is to try to log in my Rotary with using your email, official mail at Rotary, and of course your password. First, we're gonna make a click on Take Action. Then this is gonna take us to the Give Now button. Now we're gonna click here in Give Now button, and it's gonna take you here. Choose what would you like to support. Of course, we're gonna click at Global Grants at the extreme right of the screen. We're gonna give a click here on Global Grant. Then it's going to be displayed this box, 7-digit of the grant number. Remember, our grant is 2012-820, and then the bottom search. COVID-19 Quintana Roo, and amount needed, $15,188. Okay, of course, it includes the additional 5% per administration of this grant. So next one is we're gonna pick on this. We're gonna click here on this donation is from my club and members, and of course select the currency first, country, and the currency dollar. We're gonna keep like that. And very important thing. Here we're gonna choose. We have to make a choice about donate from the club, the whole club, or donate from the members, the club members. So here, remember, every donation, every contribution we make to the grants is gonna be forward to reach Paul Harris Award. Remember, when you reach donations to Rotary, to the Rotary Foundation, reaching the $1,000, you're gonna be your award is gonna be Paul Harris pin. So every donation from your club and also from the members are gonna forward to Paul Harris pin. So let's make an exercise, an example for donating from the club. So we're gonna keep this. And then, as an example, we're gonna give away $1,500. Okay, $1,500. And then, as you may know, this is the display is the information is gonna be displayed. This is not the beneficiary of this donation. It's only to have some information about what functionary has made the donation. Okay, we're gonna write our credit card. This is a fake credit card. Okay, I'm gonna be the CBB, and here's the billing address. The billing address, it's gonna be so important that the zip code or código postal, as we say here in Mexico, is gonna be the same where the credit card statement arrives at what address. Then I'm gonna click here and review my donation. And of course, as you can see, donation support to the Global Grant 2012-820 organization, the Rotary Foundation. Of course, the amount of $1,500. The Rotary, it comes from the Rotary Cancún Zona Hotelera. And here's my general data. And then submit. Of course, it's not going to be applied because this is a fake credit card. So it's gonna tell, I'm sorry, you can be charged by this method. We're sorry, we're unable to charge your credit card at this time. Then example number 2. If I want to donate from members, I'm gonna click on this, and as you can see, the name of the members are going to be displayed here. So, as an example, the same $1,500, Past Governor Santiago Ancona is going to give 500, then Alma Arroyo is going to give 500, and me, Pepe Baena, I'm going to give $500. At the sum, at the end of this column, is going to be displayed $1,500. So, Jose Baena, of course, as I told you, the credit card zip the address where the statements arrive, and then review my donation. And here's the magic. You can see supporting the Global Grant, the Rotary Foundation, $1,500, and here's how it's gonna be applied. Santiago Ancona, $500. Alma Arroyo, $500. Pepe Baena, $500 for the grand total $1,500. And also here's displayed my information. Then submit. And of course, it's gonna be failed because this is a fake credit card. So this is the right way to donate to our grants. Okay, if there's anything I can do for you, let me know. My name is Pepe Baena, and you can reach me at your club. Thank you.